What's going on? What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Staying Alpha channel, guys. We had the Word Conference that took place today. So was it a black eye for Dogecoin, or was it good news for Dogecoin? But it was definitely great news for Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is finally up from 29,000 to 32K. All right. So either way, guys, let's get into this. Like, subscribe. So starting off, the first thing that I want to show you guys is the Dogecoin chart, right? What we have going on right now, guys. It is sitting at 18 cents, was at 19 cents, was at 20 cents. But where is it going to go from here? We're going to look at the Bitcoin chart as well and see where the area of support is at. And it's just going to be mostly, guys, a chill stream. We're going to talk about Dogecoin. Is it a good investment as of now, if you're looking to buying as of now? Or do we have other things that are even better investments? Either way, let's go ahead and get Low Roller, my man, you are on the live stream. But either way, let me take a quick pause and let me fill up this beer. Like I said, it's going to be a very chill stream. Low Roller is on the stream, baby. I'm not sure if you've been to Florida, Low Roller, before, but you got that funky Buddha. Woo! I'm just gonna wait for some people to come into the stream. All right, let's get into this. Staying Alpha, chilling with some broskies. What you drinking tonight? Some funky Buddha. David Ramos, damn, that beer looks good. Mama Crypto's in the building. What's going on, everyone? Welcome, guys, to the live stream. So I'm not sure if you guys caught the Word Conference, right? But there was a lot of things that were said. And then we just, I just took some brief notes on the conference, right? But one of the last questions that Elon Musk asked Jack Dorsey is Twitter going to accept crypto payments? And he kept instigating on this comment. And Jack Dorsey did not answer him, though. So that would be great if Twitter accepts crypto payments, right? As the conversation was that Bitcoin should be accepted, all right, worldwide for payments. And that is the goal for cryptocurrency overall. Jack Dorsey not answering that question. Now, when it pertains to Dogecoin, one of the questions that was asked was what parameters does Dogecoin have that Bitcoin does not? And I listened up closely when this question came up, right? And Elon Musk not saying much. All he said is that it's a joke. Dogecoin, it's a meme. It was made to make fun of other cryptos. And that one of his friends says that the ironic one, it's the one that always wins, and him is the entertaining one, is the one that is always going to win. But he didn't give any specs on why Dogecoin is better than Bitcoin. And he even stated, I own more Bitcoin by far than Ethereum or Dogecoin. However, this is great, right? If you're a business person and you're business minded and you invest into crypto, you got the money, you should know that your money should be on Bitcoin. You have the money, right? Because you're going to make a lot more money with Bitcoin than Dogecoin. Dogecoin moon goal is $1. So if it reaches $1, then slowly it could reach, I don't know, $1.50, $2, $3 down X amount of years. But the moon goal is the dollar. So of course I'm going to buy more Bitcoin right now than Dogecoin if I have the money to do it, because I already know that Bitcoin is going to take me to the $100,000, right, end of the year moonshot, which is the moon goal for Bitcoin. And we saw that Bitcoin reached $64,000. We are sitting right now in the bear market. So does Elon have the power to put a lid on the bear market? As the same way that he made Bitcoin rise up when Tesla made the announcement that they're going to start accepting Bitcoin payments. At the same time, is Elon Musk scheming cryptocurrency? Elon Musk said, I always pump, I never dump. But it is really time to put a magnifying glass on this, right? Because Elon Musk stated he invests in Bitcoin. By far, the best investment. Tesla invests in Bitcoin. They have Bitcoin. They own Bitcoin. Starlink owns Bitcoin as well. So if you kind of think about it, right, it was a very smart move to say Tesla will now accept Bitcoin and make Bitcoin jump up. And it was even a smarter move to create FUD. Tesla will now stop accepting payments for Bitcoin. We have not sold any Bitcoin and we will not sell any Bitcoin, right? That announcement came up. And what did Bitcoin do? It flopped. Now Bitcoin is sitting at 32,000. Yesterday it was sitting at 29,000. So I think it was a very smart move from Elon Musk. And he says he always pumps and never dumps. But I really think that there is some type of market manipulation going on. And it's okay. It's a business move. All right. And there's plenty of manipulators. There's plenty of whales out in the cryptocurrency game. So I do think that Elon Musk had all of this just pretty much orchestrated. All right. You accept Bitcoin just to crash it just a couple of days later. Pretty much it. That's, to me, that's what they did. Tesla making batteries and so focused on energy, especially renewable energy. I'm pretty sure you guys had to do your homework before you started accepting Bitcoin, right? You guys knew that. So to me, it was something that was just orchestrated and it was just pretty much a scheme. All right. And it was for them to keep buying more Bitcoin and obtain more Bitcoin by lowering the price, selling high, right? And buying low. What's going on, Alejandro? Big boy, trucking all day. What's going on, everyone? Now, Jack Dorsey, guys, I really do like Jack Dorsey. Great businessman, very huge business tycoon. And Square, they are working on a Bitcoin hard wallet. Square, guys, if you do not know what Square is when you have your phone, and they put the little Square device on it, right? It's a white square, and you're able to swipe your debit cards or your credit cards to make payments. That's definitely going to go ahead and revolutionize the crypto game. So Jack Dorsey, right, the CEO of Square, CEO of Twitter, and Cash App, moving forward to accept Bitcoin. So there was a lot of good things said in this meeting, right? One of the ones is that they spoke about Square adapting the Bitcoin hard wallets. Elon Musk as well said to release the keys. What actually said that you need to have the keys to your crypto wallets, right? Referring to Robinhood. And Jack Dorsey still not making it official if Twitter is going to be accepting crypto payments. But this whole Word Conference was planned out and it didn't come at perfect timing because Bitcoin has crashed to $29,000. So did the trio, Casey Wood, Jack, and Elon Musk, actually save Bitcoin from crashing any further? Only time would tell. And one of the things that Elon Musk said, Square needs to add Dogecoin. That would be hopefully the plan. Once Square adds Bitcoin and that is ready to roll, then hopefully Dogecoin will be in transition along with other cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin ETH bridge have been going on a couple of years. Yes, that has been going on now for quite some time, and it's something that is trending back in the Dogecoin community. So Jack Dorsey, something else that he said, right, besides Square, Cash App, is that there should be more QR code implementations. So that would be great. QR codes will make things, guys, so simple to do. So like, let's say that you're at Publix and you get your grocery bags, you do your grocery shopping, and at the end of the day, you go to the cashier, you scan the QR code and you submit the crypto payment, right? We do that. That right there in itself is just crypto transactions without Square, without Apple Pay. And again, those are things that I think are going to come. And that's why I said by 2025, I think crypto is going to be a huge revolution. One of the things that Elon Musk said as well, guys, that was huge is Starlink running crypto nodes. It's not official, but Elon Musk stated that they have thought about running nodes on the Starlink to be able to mine Bitcoin, to be able to mine Ethereum and Dogecoin. That would be something that's huge. Also to reduce latency issues, as he got into the topic that Bitcoin, in order to succeed, they need to run layer 2 applications, all right, to make the transactions cheaper and faster. As we all know that Bitcoin transactions take a long time. And the Lightning Network is great because it has been successful in some countries. But the Lightning Network, what a lot of people do not know about the Lightning Network is that it has a lot of issues, and it has security issues as well. So it's still not 100% reliable, but it has been going places. But again, Bitcoin can work if better layer 2 solutions are put out there. So that was a topic that they spoke about, but again, they couldn't really agree on layer 2s because it's just something new, something that's taking place, and only time will tell. Night Watch, welcome to the live stream. Working late, yeah, back in the office. I did do an earlier stream, right, on the VV live stream and on Omi. You see, Coinbase Twitter said Dogecoin got accepted on e-commerce payment. I didn't know that. I do have the alerts on Coinbase, but I guess I missed that one. That's pretty cool. And that's what we need. We just need more and more adoption, guys, coming from all these other different entities. And that's something, again, that they spoke about too on the Word Conference. So crypto making a pump today before the Word Conference. We saw Bitcoin rise up, Dogecoin rise up, Ethereum rise up. And Ethereum is one of the ones that I really think you guys need to pay attention to. Elon Musk even stated that he owns Ethereum. And they didn't really talk about Ethereum at all. Ethereum wasn't even brought up why the parameters of Ethereum is better than Bitcoin. That wasn't even brought up. But that would have been a great question for Elon Musk than the Dogecoin question that was asked. But looking at Ethereum right now is sitting at 1,985. Ethereum had reached $1,700 just yesterday. Okay. And again, just right before the crypto pump, 1792. All right. 24 hours ago. And now it's sitting at 1982. Ethereum was one that had reached, guys, an all-time high over $4,000. This is going to be a huge ROI return if you own any Ethereum. Axie Infinity pump biggest gain today. Damn, Axie Infinity is still pumping. Wow. I got to go ahead and check that out. $8 and $11 Moon Backpack. Okay, so this is what I want to refer to, right? First, let's look at this chart. I think, guys, right now, Dogecoin just made 19 cents again, right? I think, honestly, there is way better investments out there than Dogecoin. All right, we all have been following Dogecoin now for quite some time. But being where Dogecoin is at now, and being where other investments are at now, if you guys really want to make more money, I definitely think invest in other investments. Okay, you have XRP, you have VeChain, you have Matic. Matic is going to be huge. All right, you have Omi as well that I'd be pushing Omi, and you have NFTs if you're looking to make money and just flip them. But guys, the goal for Dogecoin is only $1, right? So if you got into Dogecoin at a penny, 2 pennies, great. Or if you got it before the penny, even better. But right now, to just keep buying Dogecoin, you're going to make money. But I don't think Dogecoin is going to have that type of rush we saw a couple of months ago anytime soon. Any gains right now that we see will be organic. All right. But definitely, guys, you can make a lot more money right now on other investments. Look at Matic. Matic was sitting at 60 cents, right? I'm going to put up Matic now in a minute. But Matic was sitting at 60 cents. And the all-time high for Matic is $3 and change that we saw. Dogecoin, the moon go if it reaches $1, right? So, guys, that's why Dogecoin, I mean, it's good. I understand it, and I know that it's meant to replace Bitcoin, right, for peer-to-peer currency. But honestly, at this point, I think there's just so much more money to be made into other investments. You still can make money here, but not like other investments like Matic. So, where can you find XRP? You can find XRP on Uphold. BTT is undervalued coin, says it dumped 80%. BTC is under a penny. Need to check that one out. There's so much tokens out there. But guys, looking at Dogecoin, right? The all-time high for Dogecoin is right here for trading view, per trading view, at 68 cents. And then we saw this decline, right? We just saw it completely just go underwater. And it's been trading sideways now for the last couple of days. That's all we're getting. And what happens when something trades sideways is going to do two things. It's either going to break out or it's going to fall more underneath. So if Bitcoin does not recover, Dogecoin, guys, could fall all the way to really around 10 cents. All right. Here I got the 8 cent mark. Dogecoin could fall to around the 10 cent mark, which is right here, because there is really no area of support. What happened from the 7 cents all the way up to the 40 cents, really right here, you want to say 36 cents? This was just all hype and momentum, right? That kept following Dogecoin. We saw a decline and then more hype and momentum go all the way to 68 cents. So if it falls right now from 19 cents, there's really no area of support that's surrounding it. And we could see it fall under 10 cents if Bitcoin does not recover. But if this trio of Kathy, Elon, and Jack did something today, then we could see Dogecoin actually break out, all right, in this period. So not sure what's going to happen right now, but there might just be a breakout or it's going to go down under. And if it goes down under, guys, then we're going to be looking probably underneath 10 cents because there is really no area of support. There's no telling where this is going to go ahead and fall. Also, if you can get into the pre-sale ICOs, that is a good way to make a flip. The ICOs is where a lot of people right now are making money. You know, the launch pads, that's where right now a lot of people are making money when it comes to that. And you can't miss out on NFTs. So Dogecoin, guys, is looking shaky. All right, it's looking shaky. And again, it all depends on what Bitcoin does. So looking at Bitcoin, let me delete this. Looking at Bitcoin, the all-time high is sitting at $64,000. And from the $64,000, right, we just saw it go on a complete decline as well because the market just completely went bearish. Again, did Elon now save the bear market? Who knows? So Bitcoin now in the last couple of days, right, we are seeing that it's just been trading sideways as well. So where is Bitcoin going to go from here? So far, guys, Bitcoin has tested 30,000 a couple of times, and it has not gone down under. So I do not think Bitcoin will go down any lower than 30K or 29K. All right, we have tested those waters not many times, and it has not gone under. Wow, Dogecoin, it goes under, and it keeps going under and under and under, as well with other crypto investments, not just Dogecoin. But Bitcoin, guys, I believe is soon going to go ahead and break out. Just when is that going to happen? I have no idea. Hopefully the B conference, the B Word Conference did really well, and it changes the input on a lot of people and entities. Bitcoin has had a lot of FUD, especially with the China miners getting banned and cancel culture with renewable energy. And this is why I think it's taking such a long time. But I do not think Bitcoin will fall under 29,000. All right. Hopefully it doesn't. And if it does, Dogecoin is in trouble, as long as all the other crypto investments as well. So until the crypto market recovers, guys, I definitely think there is a lot more money to be made in other places. Those will be on the moon soon, bro. Those will be soon on the moon, which is the dollar. Okay. I say, yeah, soon it will be. But I really think, guys, you can make money on other places. All right. So again, the moonshot for Dogecoin is $1. And if you're buying it right now, 19 cents, you can make money, but you can make money way more other places as well. Waiting Dogecoin drops under 10 cents. I have cash ready on the side. Yes, if it does drop under 10 cents, then you can make a way better ROI. I completely agree with you, Low Roller Scratcher, right? Because when we started following it at the 2 cent mark, there was money to be made. Now at the 19 cent mark, I'm really not looking to buy any more Dogecoin, guys. I'm looking to buy Matic, which I've been buying, Ethereum, OMI tokens, right? You don't want to diversify yourself thin. But looking at Matic, right? Let's look at Matic because Matic serving as a layer 2 for Ethereum. The all-time high, guys, that we're looking for Matic. CoinGecko has it listed at $2.45. I really think it was more than that, but it's $2.45, right? And Matic at this time, guys, was super bullish at this time. If you guys remember, back in May, right, of 18, it was super bullish at that time. And then the market started to go down, but Matic was growing, guys, crazy. It was wildfire that was hitting Matic at this time. And it grew, right, from 4 pennies, 10 pennies back in February to $2.45. Matic was a monster. All right. The market went down. Matic went down with it. But Matic was doing nothing but growing and growing and growing. And Polygon, they're still stepping on the gas, guys. Polygon still has more, projects that they're working on. They're even working with esport gaming, all right, for cryptocurrency rewards when it comes to games. Polygon serves as a layer 2 for Ethereum, making transactions faster, cheaper, easier, right? Until Ethereum 2.0 comes out, then let's see what happens with Matic. But so far, guys, Matic is a great investment. Just look, 27% gains, all right, since yesterday. That Matic was down. Because Matic, in the last 24 hours, was 69 cents. And it has already grown to 88 cents. Matic is just nothing to play with, all right? Definitely a great investment. Ethereum, this is going to be another monster, guys. And I know that is high, but I do think that the average person could actually obtain Ethereum. All right. Yes, it takes some time, but Ethereum, guys, is going to be a beast as well. It's right, the all-time high, 4,182 listed on CoinGecko, and it has dropped down to 1996. Of course, there's a lot more money, but again, guys, Ethereum is a beast. That is definitely nothing to play with. Finance token is always a great one. XRP. Rumor is once they're done with XRP, they're going to go after Ethereum. Let's see what happens with that. But Ethereum sitting, guys, at 57 cents. Remember, Ethereum did crash once it was being investigated by the SEC. But back in April 15, $1.76 all the way to 57 cents. So XRP, guys, could definitely just gain another dollar quite rapidly and should gain a lot more once the whole investigation with the SEC is completely over. So I'm pretty sure XRP will recover. And again, right before the bear market, it was doing slightly well. So XRP, I do see it as a sleeping giant. I do see XRP, guys, just booming. Now, Cardano's one that has been very interesting. We're waiting on the Alonzo release, right? That has been taking some time and has been getting pushed back. But Cardano is not bad of an investment, okay? Still a lot of things in the works and nothing proven. It still has a long way to prove its point in the cryptocurrency game. But guys, it has been growing as well. Sitting at $1.17. All-time high was $2.29. And again, this is another one that I think will make bank. Everything still follow Bitcoin. Yes, I'm sitting my first with SEOs that have gone from 10 cents to $1 in less than a month. So that's great money. That's some great returns coming back. What's the other solid crypto now? 1, 2, and 3 to jump into. Trucking all day. My cryptos OMI. All right, that's my crypto. Is the OMI token. They just have solid projects, and this is the token here that to me is gonna go ahead and take me to the other level. All right, so this is my project. This is my investment. It has utility, is being used, and hopefully utility is gonna get adapted further than just the VV app into actual video games, right? That we're actually waiting for Pixion Games. Last but not least, I know Low Roller mentioned this, is Axie Infinity. This was an NFT that I completely missed out on. Again, I just can't be involved in everything, but Axie Infinity up 45%. Mind you, up 45%, right? But it has been recovering from the last couple of days because it was sitting at 28.98, 28.93, the all-time high, I believe. So now it's making its way back as a cryptocurrency is the market is recovering back, right? Watching Litecoin, etc., these coins can't pump hard. Litecoin is another one. Right, you have Ethereum. Let me see. You have Bitcoin Cash. That's another one. Litecoin, $118. Ethereum Classic, right, sitting at $42. VeChain. I don't want to focus on the ones that are too expensive, right? I want to focus on the ones that you could actually buy multiples of that are, I don't know, under $1 or 80 cents and below, right? 90 cents below, like Matic. VeChain sitting at 6 cents. This is going to be another great investment, guys, as VeChain deals with logistics. So VeChain, the all-time high was sitting at 26 cents back in April. All right, 26 cents back in April and is now at 6 cents. VeChain expected to go pretty far as well. VeChain is fire. So my only point, guys, to you is that just do your research. There's other projects, there's other cryptocurrencies that you could actually make money. So you're hearing right now, buy the Dogecoin dip, right? Buy the Dogecoin dip. But the moon goal for Dogecoin is sitting at the $1. So are you going to make more money with Dogecoin or Matic? Are you going to make more money with XRP or Dogecoin? Are you going to make more money with, right, Dogecoin or VeChain? Is really up to you, or Dogecoin and Omi. It's up to you to make that decision, all right? Not a financial advisor for you. My only thing is that I think you can make more money with another investment right now. However, if Dogecoin dips under 10 cents, all means for it, then I'll probably go ahead and buy the dip. But as of now, I'm still chilling with the Dogecoin that I currently have. And I'm just going to let it ride and see what happens, because that is a made and done investment. VeChain has 5 times return just to hit all-time high. Completely agree. Completely agree. And that's the whole point, guys, that I want you guys to just consider. All right. There's a lot of YouTubers out there that honestly, these guys are clown. All right. These guys are clown. And just by looking at the thumbnails, you could tell they're just a whole bunch of clowns, right? Like, I did a search on YouTube and I'm like, man, you know what? The Dogecoin community is like, it was something great. And it kind of has gone down to shit, right? So when you click Dogecoin, it's just a whole bunch of clickbait and just misinformation, right? Elon Musk huge Dogecoin announcement at the B Word Live. What was the huge Dogecoin announcement? That he owns Dogecoin? I mean, pretty much everyone speculates that he owns Dogecoin, right? If he keeps pushing it so much. So again, it's just clickbait. Dogecoin satellite, Elon Musk game changer, right? The Starlink, it should be mining. Maybe in the future we'll be mining Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, just like the DayMac cars, right? DayMac, by the way, guys, is a vehicle coming out next year that is going to be able to mine cryptocurrency. And that was Cardano, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. All right. So that is pretty cool. While your car is depreciating, if you own a DayMac, you're able to mine cryptocurrency. But again, going back right to YouTube, it's just like the YouTubers, they just pretty much got into shit. You know, you got first clickbait over here. Will today's Bitcoin pump continue? I mean, this is completely something else that's different. This cartoon, not sure what the hell this is. Doge lightning pattern forming. No idea what the fuck that is. This was a pretty decent video, but again, he's not even into cryptocurrency. And I feel like just like Marcus Brownlee, right? He's not into cryptocurrency at all, making a cryptocurrency video for the first time and never probably made one again. Just like him and Slim Jim and Axe, they're just all looking for a following. They're just all looking to grow their channels and take it from there, right? So the information now that we're getting from Dogecoin is just pretty much fluff. So that's one thing that I saw about Dogecoin, just that the community is pretty much going to shit. Elon Musk, his Dogecoin will go to $30 at least, right? Again, crypto line, 13,000 views, and is like, what the fuck is this, right? Dogecoin pumping, Elon speaking, B word. Again, another clickbait. And I don't know what's up with these faces that they be making on these thumbnails. I just have no idea what's going on with it. It doesn't, are you talking about crypto or are you talking about something else, right? So again, guys, the community of Dogecoin, I just feel like it's just been going to shit. And they want to use the quotes for do good every day for a Dogecoin related comment, right? And forget do good every day or do only good every day, right? Whatever the quote is, you should do good every single day of your life, regardless if you hold Dogecoin or not. All right. At the end of the day, you're into crypto to make bank, to make your money and keep it moving. And just always do good because you never know who's watching. And even if no one is watching, always do good regardless. Don't let this dumb Dogecoin quote of do good every day get to you. All right. Don't let that stop you from moving on your investment from Dogecoin and selling your Dogecoin and just moving on to another cryptocurrency. All right. You're not cheating on your investment. You're in it to make money. So again, I just think that the Doge community has just fallen a lot. Also on Twitter, there's just so much drama with the Twitter spaces. It's ridiculous. You use Doge in your title, but push 10 coins. Don't buy copycat coin. Come on, don't do this alpha. Again, I'm in this, guys, to make bank. That's all I'm in it for. I have no type of loyalty to Dogecoin, to Omi, to VeChain, Cardano, any of it. Whatever I think is great information, I'm going to go ahead and push it on to you guys. All right. But Doge community, to me, has just completely fallen apart. Now, Dogecoin as an investment, if it falls under 10 cents, completely, I'll buy the dip and still hold my Dogecoin and, of course, make money. But right now, sitting at the 19-cent mark, guys, I just think there's other greater investments out there. Jeff Bezos beat Elon to space. I actually read about this, right? Jeff Bezos beat Elon to the space. I mean, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, both of them are just great guys, and I like that they're competitive with each other. So it's just gonna push them to further limits. Let's see what happens with that. And I've seen interviews as well with both of them and how Jeff Bezos' answer is very similar to Elon Musk. Do you think OMI will go down if we get into a bear market next year? Yes, it could go down, obviously, guys. And Cosmos is because whatever Bitcoin does, the rest of the coins are going to go ahead and follow. And we saw that happen now, right? We're seeing that OMI is releasing incredible news. They're moving to Immutable X, right? They got the licensing from great licensors and companies. They're moving their NFTs to open seas as well, if the licensor agrees, right? They're getting the money transmittable license right before the jump to Immutable X. We're seeing all these great news. And OMI already probably should have been a half a penny or at a penny already. But with Bitcoin being down and all these great news getting released while we're at a bear market, is stopping OMI from growing. So next year, if we experience a bear market, then we are going to see the OMI token drop as well. It's just going to go ahead and happen. It is what it is, even though it deals with NFTs, right? But let's see where OMI is next year. Are they going to have video games, right? Like Pixion Games. If they do, it's going to keep the coin more stable. But again, once people see that the cryptocurrency market is down, people kind of want to fade away from cryptocurrency and they put their attention somewhere else until cryptocurrency actually comes back. Look at COVID. COVID now, we have the Delta variant, right? So imagine if this Delta variant takes over again. If the Delta variant takes over again, you're going to see a massive boom on cryptocurrency because people are going to be home. People are going to wonder how else they're going to make money from home again, and they're going to get back onto cryptocurrency. And we should see a rise on cryptocurrency and see cryptocurrency boom way faster than anything before now, right? So let's see what happens with this whole COVID and this Delta variant. I really don't think the country is going to go back into a lockdown. Hopefully it doesn't because it really sucks. But again, anything could happen. So let's see what's actually taking place, right? At least over here, already 2 hospitals already stopped visitation, right? And more mandates are coming from other states as well. So let's see what happens now with this whole COVID thing going on. But guys, with Dogecoin, right, sitting right now at 18 cents. Again, buy the dip is up to you. I'm going to wait till we actually go underneath 12 to 10 cents. I'll probably say under 10 cents because, again, there is really no support. All of this was covered by hype and just a lot of people just buying into something that they had no idea what Dogecoin was. And now that Bitcoin seems to recover, Dogecoin is going to be at a breakout period. What's going to happen? If Bitcoin does recover, I do see Dogecoin recovering with it. But if Bitcoin does not recover, I actually do see Dogecoin going back down in a decline. And that's when I'm going to be buying again if it goes down to the 10 cents. If it does not go down to 10 cents, then my money will go elsewhere, guys. Like Matic, like VeChain, like XRP, OMI, that I know my money's going to go ahead and boom a lot further. All right. So again, it's completely up to you. What exchange has OMI? OMI right now is sitting on BitForex, is sitting on Uniswap, and I forgot what the other one was called, Gay.io as well. And in August, when they do the jump to Ethereum, which is they're jumping to the layer 2 immutable X, then we should be seeing OMI on other bigger exchanges like Binance, like Kraken, hopefully, and furthermore. But they're waiting on the move to immutable X. All right. Right now, they're not focusing on getting onto exchanges. They're pushing the brakes on that until they move on to the immutable X. Then we should be seeing OMI on more exchanges. And that's when, guys, hopefully we see the big boom take place on OMI, because OMI is getting recognized. All right. The NFT bubble has gone down 90%. But guess what? OMI wasn't in that bubble, baby. OMI is that monster that remained for NFTs. So that is just so awesome to hear. Either way, guys, just want to do a quick stream on Dogecoin and my thoughts with the Word Conference, my thought on investing and buying this Dogecoin dip or waiting, right? And again, talks on the community about Dogecoin, how to me it's just got involved too dramatic, too emotional, and just too much clickbait and false information out there. How people are trying to push Dogecoin every time something happens, and it shouldn't just be like that. But guys, I appreciate all of you guys being on the stream. I'll catch you guys on the VV drops that are coming on this weekend. Very excited for that, guys. Either way, let your next move be your best move, and I'll catch you guys this weekend for the drops. Always remember, stay alpha.